Hi children, today I am going to talk about the lesson number 11 factors and multiples of the grade 6 math syllabus. Okay, as the first chapter of this lesson I am going to talk about the divisibility. Right, first of all think in mathematics we do all mathematical calculations and counting around the 10 digits. What are those 10 digits? 0 to 9 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Out of these 10 digits, we can categorize into two groups as even digits and odd digits. That is the previous lesson selection. What are the even digits? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even digits. Odd digits are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay. Under the divisibility topic, you are going to learn about the numbers which are divisible by 2 without remainder. In this case, we are not going to divide the given number by 2, but we are going to examine whether it is divisible or not divisible by 2. How we do this? We have to do only simple thing. We have to do what? We have to examine the last digit of the number, that means the digits of the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is an even number 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that is divisible by 2 without remainder. Now you can see some numbers in the screen as the examples of which are the numbers divisible by 2 without remainder. Now look, even if there is any number of digits, you have to do what? Examine the digit in the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is an even number, definitely it is divisible by 2 without remainder. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the numbers which are divisible by 5. Now this is all the same thing is there. If a number is divisible by 5 without remainder, definitely its last digit should be 0 or 5. Definitely its last digit should be 0 or 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, that is divisible by 5 without remainder. Now you can see some examples in the screen. Now in here also same, even if the number has any number of digits, but doesn't matter. We have to examine only the digit in the ones place. If that number is 0 or 5, that is divisible by 5 without remainder. Right. The next topic is the numbers divisible by 10. Now this is also very easy. I think you already know this subject matter. Yeah, I think you learned this is in grade 5 also. If a number is divisible by 10, definitely its last digit, that means the digit in the ones place, should be the 0. If the last digit is 0, such as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so on, they are divisible by 10 without remainder. Now you can see some examples of the numbers in different number of digits. They all are divisible by 10 without a remainder because their last digit is 0. Right, now think, I know you understood the lesson well, and under the grade 6 you have to learn about these two, the numbers divisible by 2 and numbers divisible by 5 and numbers divisible by 10. Now I think you know how they identify without dividing by the given numbers. You have to do only one thing, one simple thing. What is that? Examine the last digit, if not the digit in the ones place. If it is an even number, they are divisible by 2 without remainder. If it is a 0 and 5, it is divisible by 5. And if it is a 0, it is divisible by 10 without remainder. If there is a number as the last digit 0, it is definitely divisible by 2, as well as it is divisible by 5 without remainder, and also it is divisible by 10 without remainder. Okay, thank you.